Swiss chard lodgy. Sunstroke Valley, Idaho. Excellent food. Oh boy, food! That's my favorite dish. I'll take a shortcut. Like the flying o'er the snow, with sleigh bells ringing, gaily singing, merrily we go. All the world is blank and white and snow so cold and crisp and light, with sharp wind blowing, we are going onward through the night. Like the flying o'er the snow, oh chichornya, oh chistoranya, merrily we go.
By Gary, this is good. Even if I did cook it myself, it's wonderful.
Hot diggity dog. Food. Howdy, Pop. Woody's my name. Woody Woodpecker. What's yours? Never mind. Skip it. How about some of that excellent food?
Not so fast there, Sonny. Aren't you a little impulsive?
Impulsive? No, I'm repulsive.
Can't you read? Positively no accommodations without a reservation. I said we don't take any guests without a reservation.
I got reservations. I got lots of reservations. Have some.
Reserve seat, Yankee Stadium. Table reservation, Tracadero, reserve seat, Rose. Reservations. Bah! Open up the door. Open up or I'll throw you out. By Jiminy, I think I have just about too many of his jokes. I'd throw you out. What's good for the goose is bad for the woodpeckers. By Jiminy, if it isn't Kris Kringle.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Oh, sleigh bells ringing gaily, singing merrily we go. Oh, hallo, merrily on we go. Oh, hallo, merrily on we go. Hi-ya, 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 hi-ya.